Hey y'all, this is the coding coach, of course. So welcome back to another video. Now this video is not about medical coding. However, this video is still something that all of us can use. I'm not using Excel a whole lot, but I definitely do use Excel. And I'm sure everybody else on this platform at one time or another have used Excel. So please take advantage of these shortcuts. If you have to stop, pause, take a screenshot, whatever it is, this is some valuable information regarding Excel and the shortcuts to creating workbooks and learning how to do things within the cell. Again, take advantage, pause, screenshot, and make sure you get this great information about Excel shortcuts.